प्लीज गाइज कॉन्टैक्ट मी। कोई तो कूपन अप्लाई किया था एंड आई गॉट 40% इन एवरी प्रोडक्ट. Hi guys, this is Gayatri Mandre and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my shorts and videos. And if you are an existing user, thank you so much guys for coming back. I really appreciate your love towards my videos. Sunshine, blue skies. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing Blue Heaven Cosmetic newly launched products. And before we get into this video, I must tell you this is totally a non-sponsored video because I know you guys are less interested in sponsored videos because I know they are scripted. Most of the creators do get PR from this brand and they make a video. Even I do the same. That's how we earn because I am a fan of Blue Heaven Cosmetic when it comes to affordable and quality products. And these brand have newly launched their product. I know you must have seen all these products in every creator's video and YouTube पे तो बहुत सारे videos available है. I was amazed how amazing they came up with their products, how amazing their packaging is and how amazing their cream blushes is. So I was like I had to buy this and these products were exclusively available on purple.com and I must say purple.com की delivery is really great. हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर में मुझे मेरे सारे products मिल गए and I have ordered 4 products from Blue Heaven Cosmetic newly launched range. I was talking about the non-sponsored videos. I have not gotten any PR from Blue Heaven Cosmetics. I have not collaborated with this brand. I must say I need to collaborate with Blue Heaven Cosmetics. Please guys contact me. I have only 4 products with me, which is a blush, a highlighter and 2 lipsticks with their newly launched range. मैंने order first time किया purple.com से, so that's why I have got 40% or what I don't know about that because मैंने कोई तो कूपन अप्लाई किया था and I got 40% in every product. If अगर 250 रुपीज़ का कोई प्रोडक्ट है तो I got at 187 और 185 रुपीज़. मैं यहाँ पे अपने ऑर्डर का स्क्रीनशॉट डाल दूंगी so you guys can see कि मुझे कितना ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट में मिला एंड कितने ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में ये प्रोडक्ट्स मिले. विदाउट wasting any further time, let's dive into the video. These are the products I have with me. These are the 4 products. So let's get into the video and see how amazing these products are. So the first product is this Blue Heaven Pop and Glow Chicken Eyes Gel Bloom Blush. They say this is in the gel format and I have ordered this in the shade Spicy Pink. There are so many variants available and I really wanted to order coral color, nude color, but I got this in a spicy pink because it is universal. And look at the packaging. The packaging is so amazing. They have upgraded their everything and it has coconut oil, rosehip oil and squalene, which is really good for your skin and they gives intense hydration to your face also. So this is what the packaging looks like and it's a bit hard for me to open, but this is what the packaging looks like from inside. It's Pop and Glow range and after you opening you can get this type of a tube. This is such a small tube but gives you intense hydration in little bit amount of the product and this is in the shade Spicy Pink as I have already told you. And can you guys see the pigmentation? It has a sheer and medium coverage. It's not that much pigmented like a lipstick but it has a medium and sheer coverage. As you guys can see the tint we have in the market, they have so much of pigmentation and अगर आपने थोड़ा सा भी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट ले लिया तो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लशी हो जाता है. But this has a medium and sheer coverage. मतलब इसमें थोड़ा सा ना ग्लॉसी टेक्सचर है. If you are a pink type of person जो कि pink blushes यूज करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रेफर करता है, so you should definitely get this because I am in love with this. I'm just going to apply this as my blush. It looks so amazing. It gives me a really amazing chicks. If you really are a blush person now, have to get this blush from Blue Heaven Cosmetics. It's so amazing and it's so yummy. Also it does not have any kind of smell, so you don't have to worry about that because fragrances can lead to skin damage and I mostly don't prefer using fragrance products on my skin, but if it's a lipstick then I definitely love using fragrances वाला lipstick. बहुत सारे lipsticks ऐसे होते हैं ना जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा delicious smell करते हैं and we just feel like eating that lipstick and sometimes I really do that. But okay, I don't know where I have gone, but talking about the blush, can you guys see the pigmentation on my cheeks? It looking super fresh and super yummy. I don't know what to say. It gives me intense hydration. If you are a dry skin person now, then definitely get these cream blushes because the dry skin स्किन पे अगर आप पाउडर वाले ब्लशेस यूज कर रहे हो, यू गाइस नो कि कितना ज्यादा ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा। मैंने बहुत ही लिटिल अमाउंट का प्रोडक्ट लिया था आप लोगों के सामने, एंड लुक एट द पिगमेंटेशन, ये अभी भी मेरे हाथ पे है एंड आई ऑलमोस्ट अप्लाइड माई ब्लश ऑन माई चिक्स। अगर आपको मेरा ब्लश ना थोड़ा सा शाइनी लग रहा होगा तो प्लीज डोंट वरी, इट डज नॉट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ शिमर और ग्लिटर। ये मैंने हाईलाइटर ऑलरेडी यूज किया था ब्लू हेवन कॉस्मेटिक का, जो मैं आपको अभी बताऊंगी, बट मैंने हाईलाइटर के ऊपर ही ब्लश लगाया, सो इट इज लुकिंग लाइक दिस एंड इट्स लुकिंग so amazing. I cannot stop complimenting this product because you guys can understand how amazing and how fascinating this product is. So let's move on to the next product, which is a highlighter from this range only. Second product is this Pop and Glow Chicken Eyes Gel Bloom. This is what the inner packaging looks like. This is a highlighter and it's in the shade Rose Gold. जबकि मैं बता दूं कि इसमें बिल्कुल Rose Gold वाला शेड बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's more like a champagne color. Rose Gold ही शायद अवेलेबल था वेबसाइट पे, तो मैंने वही ऑर्डर कर ली because most of the highlighters are out of stock and only one was left in stock of Rose Gold, so मैंने वो भी ऑर्डर कर दिया. Price of this highlighter is also the same, 275 rupees का ही है. आपको 30-40% ऑफ तो मिल ही जाएगा पर्पल पे. So let's swatch this highlight. And also talking about this highlighter, I have tried this highlighter, as you guys can see. I have applied this highlighter on my cheeks also. So इसको अगर हाथ पे ब्लेंड करके लगाते हो तो बिल्कुल भी ज्यादा पिगमेंटेशन नहीं आएगा आपको चिक्स पे, बट अगर आप थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट डायरेक्ट अप्लाई करते हो ना तो आपको अच्छा खासा हाइलाइटर का कवरेज आ जाएगा, बिकॉज इट्स पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. आई वॉज शूटिंग अ रील ऑन दिस. आई हैव ट्राइड दिस प्रोडक्ट एज सून एज आई रिसीव, इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि इसको डायरेक्ट अप्लाई करना इज बेटर. बट लेट मी शो यू द स्वॉच ऑफ दिस highlighter. So I'm going to, this is the swatch. Look at the pigmentation. Can you guys see how amazing and how shimmery it is? बहुत ही ज़्यादा glittery है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा pigmented है. The texture is also good and ये definitely a cream highlighter है, जो कि मेरी skin को तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है because I have a dry skin. But if you are a oily skin person, Blue Heaven also has a stick जिसमें highlighter है, तो वो भी आप use कर सकते हो. Also you can go for powder highlighters also. But look at the pigmentation, it's so amazing. But आप हाथ में blend करने के बाद लगाते हो तो आपको बिल्कुल भी pigmentation नहीं मिलेगा. You guys can see I cannot see shine on my face after applying this. लेफ्ट चिक पे ये अप्लाई करके दिखाऊंगी so that you guys can know the pigmentation and look at the glow. Oh my god, it's definitely not rose gold color. मैं बिल्कुल रिग्रेट नहीं कर रही हूँ इसको खरीद के because I love the glow. I just love how highlighter looks on my cheeks and my cheekbones. I just love how my cheek is looking and I think कि मैंने पहले भी हाइलाइटर लगाया था तो बहुत ज़्यादा हाइलाइटर वाला फेस हो गया है मेरा. बट द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ दिस हाइलाइटर एंड द टेक्सचर कि कितना ज़्यादा ग्लो करता है. एंड यू गाइज हैव प्रैक्टिकली सॉ दिस कि बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है. द टेक्सचर इज अमेजिंग. क्रीम हाइलाइटर इज नाउ माई थिंग बिकॉज दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम ट्राइंग क्रीम हाइलाइटर्स एंड आई एम लविंग इट. एंड प्लस इट्स super affordable. I got this at rupees 185 or 165 something. I'll put all the prices on the screen, so don't worry about that. But can you guys just appreciate this glow? Oh my god, it's so amazing. Also this does not have any fragrance at all, just like a cream blush, so you guys should go ahead and try this. And अगर मेरे recommendations ना आपको पसंद आते होंगे ना, so please comment section में ज़रूर comment करके बताना because I really love all the love you gave. Okay, next two products are the lip oils, but I'm little disappointed why they call them lip oils जबकि वो lipsticks है, but they have one variant on lip oil. I think वो lip oil ही होगा, as you guys can see the screenshot here. ये lip oil ही है because this is a transparent lipstick which they call lip oil. I think it's more like a gloss and I'm sure कि इसकी pigmentation and texture formula everything is also good. But I have this two lip oils. I don't actually like transparent lip oils or transparent lip gloss. I definitely need some tint in it. So I've got this two lip oils. This Blue Heaven Color and Condition Tinted Conditioning Lip Oil. It contains raspberry, hazelnut and cranberry oil, guys. They've also put so much efforts in this lip oil. So I'm sure these are absolutely gorgeous lip oils I've ever saw. So I've ordered this two lipstick in the shade Sugar Plum and Glaze Brown. So इनमें बस 5 variants ही है lip oils में. So उसमें से 2 वेरिएंट्स मैंने ऑर्डर किए. फर्स्ट इज इन ब्राउन शेड एंड सेकंड वन जो शुगर प्लम है, जो कि प्लम शेड मोवी शेड जो रहता है वैसा वाला है. सो द लिपस्टिक लुक्स लाइक दिस. सच अ क्यूट पैकेजिंग, सच अ क्यूट बॉटल एंड इसकी भी प्राइस सेम 275 rupees है. बट आई गॉट डिस्काउंट, सो नो मैटर वॉट आई विल गोइंग टू लव दिस. product. So this is a tinted lip oil. So let's see if it's really a lip oil or not, because I don't think it's a lip oil, but the pigmentation and the texture has some oiliness because it gives nourishment to our lips. So let's try it, and it's in the shade Sugar Plum. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतना ज़्यादा डार्क आएगा, because I don't really have a habit of applying this dark kind of shades, but let's try it. And oh my god, it's super pigmented, but it has some kind of raspberry smell and it smells delicious. And literally I am amazed by the smell. It has amazing smell, but it is not a tinted lip oil as they have mentioned in the product, but they are lightweight. They are literally a lightweight lipstick. Let me just finish it. Okay, this is a Sugar Plum shade and it is kind of really dark, but I do love the shade. I do love this mauvey and plummy shade on my lips because sometimes bold shades भी apply करना अच्छा लगता है. This is amazing lip shade. I love the texture. I love the pigmentation. I love how nourishing it is on my lips because मुझे बिल्कुल भी feel नहीं हो रहा कि मैंने लिपस्टिक लगाई है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने कोई लिप बाम या फिर टिंट लगाया है मेरे लिप्स पे. Talking about is it kiss proof or transfer proof? No, it is not, because I have tried it and look, it is not kiss proof and it is not transfer proof because ये मैंने 5 से 10 मिनट अभी तक लगा के रख लिया है and इट्स नॉट ड्राइंग एट ऑल. ये आपके लिप्स को बिल्कुल ड्राई नहीं करेगा, बट ये किस प्रूफ एंड ट्रांसफर प्रूफ भी नहीं है. तो अगर आप कुछ खाते हो आपकी लिपस्टिक वॉश ऑफ हो जाएंगी. कीप दैट इन माइंड एंड ऑर्डर दिस बिकॉज दीज लिप ऑयल्स आर रियली ग्रेट. आई एम तो फैन ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक, सो यू गाइस शुड डेफिनेटली लुक एट दिस बिकॉज ये अफोर्डेबल भी है एंड खासकर इसमें क्वालिटी भी है. आई लव दिस काइंड ऑफ लिपस्टिक्स. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट शेड विच इज ग्लेज्ड ब्राउन, जो कि ब्राउनिश टेक्सचर है. आई होप वो शेड मुझे वॉश ऑफ ना करे बिकॉज मुझे फीलिंग आ रही है कि वो जो न्यूड ब्राउन शेड है मुझे वॉश ऑफ कर देगा. बट लेट्स सी एंड स्वॉच द लिपस्टिक. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट लिपस्टिक. इट्स इन द शेड ग्लेज ब्राउन एंड इट्स अ ब्राउन न्यूड स्पाइसी कलर. एंड लेट्स सी कि कितना. Okay, I am in love with this color. This is going to be my daily lipstick and let me just, it also has a kind of gloss in it and it's great. Oh my god, it's great. And let me just swatch it in the hand for you because I think plum का थोड़ा सा tint था मेरे lips पे, तो आपको ये exact color कैसा है नहीं दिखेगा. So this is what the color looks like. What an amazing color. This is amazing. And thank God मैंने अच्छे shades order किए because मैं definitely regret करती कि अगर इसमें से कोई भी shade मुझे wash out कर देता तो. But this is what the glazed brown shade looks like. Is a 4.2 ml of bottle and आप daily भी use करने वाले हो ना तो ये बहुत time तक चलेगी because I know बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ lipstick कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होती है. किसी की भी एक particular lipstick कभी नहीं ख़त्म होती है. So please अगर आपको ये long time के लिए भी चाहिए ना तो डेफिनेटली ऑर्डर करो. एंड इट इज सो मॉइस्चराइजिंग ऑन माई लिप्स एंड लुक एट द पिगमेंटेशन एंड द शेड. आई लव दिस शेड. आई एम रियली इन लव विद दिस शेड. शुगर प्लम शेड मैं ओकेजनली यूज कर सकती हूँ, बट दिस शेड आई कैन वियर anywhere daily. It is exclusively available on Purple only, so you go check it out and let me know in the comment section आपको कैसे लगे ये products because even though it's a last product of this video, I think मैंने और ज़्यादा order कर लेना चाहिए था so that I can show you guys and also can experience by myself कि कितने amazing products है. I cannot stop complimenting this product, so you guys should definitely check out all the Blue Heaven cosmetic range and let me know because new variants are on another level. They are on fire, so go get it before it gets out of stock. मैं आपको लिंक सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी, so don't worry about that. Go get it now. This is the end of this video. If you love this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.